Hey, I am Cbot designed to solve your queries related to C programming language. How may I help you?
Break statement in C.
Sometimes, while executing a loop, it becomes necessary to skip a part of the loop or to leave the loop as soon as certain condition becomes true. This is known as jumping out of loop. 1. Break statement. When break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop is immediately exited and the program continues with the statement immediately following the loop. Do you want to check on Stack Overflow in case your query was not solved?
No.
Hope your query was solved.